Guys, in today's video, I have a stock that could possibly 10x or more by the end of the year. This stock is already up 8,000% in one single year, guys. That is 800x. That is incredible. I honestly haven't even heard of a single stock that has made such a performance. But guys, this stock is about to rocket because it rides upon the Bitcoin wave to the moon. Bitcoin is going to 200, possibly 300,000 by the end of the year. And this thing follows the price of Bitcoin because it is a Bitcoin mining stock, but it further and much greater outperforms Bitcoin. So if you want to be able to invest a little bit in cryptocurrencies, get some exposure to cryptocurrencies, but make a lot of money in the stock market at the same time, this is the video for you because we are going to be breaking down Riot, price predictions, some news, and some technical analysis, and show you where Riot is heading. So if you guys want to make a lot of money, make sure you guys stay to the end of the video and stay tuned. And if you guys want Riot to go to the moon, make sure you guys smash that like button. Let's get Riot to the moon. And I believe we are going to the moon this week. What's up, guys? My name is Myles with MYLESGINVESTMENTS. I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience. I'm an expert in technical analysis. This is my second YouTube channel. I have another YouTube channel where I primarily focus in cryptocurrencies. So if you want to make a lot of money in the stock market, this is the channel for you. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a time-sensitive video that I put out. In a lot of my videos, I call out big plays before they happen, before stocks really take off. And you can see it that every single one of my stock videos, if you look at the time and you see how the stock has performed since my video, you will be in big profits. So if you guys want to make a lot of money in the stock market, this is the channel for you. Make sure you guys go ahead and join the Discord. We have about 500 members, 600 members. We're talking about stocks and cryptos all day long. We have a very active and positive community. And check out the Patreon where I give my private trade alerts, and stocks and cryptocurrencies also offer financial coaching. I help build portfolios. I do classes to teach you how to do technical analysis. So if you guys want to make a lot of money through that, go ahead and check that out. Okay, guys, the stock I have for you, I really believe is going to 10x at least by the end of the year. More than 10x, guys. This thing could truly, possibly, maybe 20 or 30x. It all depends on Bitcoin. So Riot Blockchain, it is a Bitcoin mining company, and they have been upgrading their mining computers, their machines, to mine Bitcoins. And this company is outperforming the market. It is doing amazing things, but this thing is truly a rocket. And we did previously, guys, we recently saw a dip because it is a tech stock and the NASDAQ got hit bad. A lot of tech stocks that we have been in, that I've been in, has been hit bad. So Riot was a part of that, but we've seen a massive recovery, guys. Look at this recovery. We've seen an all-time high of 77. It dipped all the way to $40 to $38, guys, about $40, and it has since recovered. But if Bitcoin opens up positive from higher highs than Friday, because Bitcoin broke all-time high records this weekend, and if Bitcoin can hold that, we will see Riot Blockchain 30-40% gains, possibly even just on Monday. And we have a lot of stimulus checks getting put into the market. A lot of people with stimulus checks are going to be buying cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and that is going to be bringing up this stock. But guys, this thing is a rocket, but it outperforms Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. We see Bitcoin has performed 1,000% in a year. But guys, look at what Riot has done. Riot in 1 year has done 8,000%. Let's look at 1 month. In a month, because there was a correction in Bitcoin, it's only up 10%, about 10%. But in the last 3 months, just in 3 months, it's up 600%. So guys, we are basically in a dip, and this thing is about to take off. I would be very confident in buying shares at this price, even at $62. We are going to come test all-time highs in the relative short term, guys. So I believe because Bitcoin is going up massively and is going to continue to go up as the US dollar begins to fail, as inflation begins to increase, more people buy Bitcoin and Ethereum as a hedge, and more people are putting their assets into Bitcoin because it is an asset class that does not appreciate, but it appreciates faster than the actual dollar that depreciates. So Bitcoin is going to the moon, and Bitcoin is becoming so scarce. Bitcoin is becoming more rare each and every day. There's only a limited supply of coins, and this supply of coins becomes more rare and more scarce each and every day. So that is another reason why Bitcoin is going to go up. But when Bitcoin goes up, let's say when Bitcoin goes up about 5%, we will see Riot. Riot generally can perform 20 to 25 to 30%, even if Bitcoin only goes up 5%. So guys, get your seatbelts, get ready, do some due diligence, and check this thing out. There are some other Bitcoin mining stocks, and a lot of them perform similar to this, but Riot is the best performing blockchain mining company out there. They're the best performing Bitcoin mining company out there. So if you guys want to make an entry into Riot, what would my answer be? Honestly, you can make an entry at any point, but you will be better off if you can catch a dip. Whenever you see a dip a little bit, if it would ever to drop like 55 or any in these low numbers, that's when you want to accumulate. Yes, you can buy at the top, and it's going to go up a lot on Monday. I'm pretty sure about that. You can take that to the bank, especially if Bitcoin continues to pump. But guys, what you can do is you always want to buy in the dips. You don't want to buy the rips, because most of the time, look, if you would have bought the top, you would have made, you'd have lost a lot of money only if you sold. But because you can only lose when you sell, but if you were to bought in this dip right here, this dip or this dip at $38, you would have made almost 100% gains in just a short amount of time. So always include and try to include that strategy into your investment and trading strategy to buy only on the dips, buy at the discounts. But guys, if we understand the fundamentals of Riot, if we understand the fundamentals of where Bitcoin is going, we can easily say that Bitcoin will most likely 5x this year, because we are projecting Bitcoin to hit 200 to 300,000. It could even hit a lot higher than that. And if Bitcoin hits 300,000, guys, that means Riot would at least 5 to 20x, guys, possibly 20x, because it outperforms Bitcoin nearly, let's look, nearly 8 times. So if Bitcoin 5x's from here, we could presume to say we would at least 4 times the performance of Bitcoin. So that could possibly be 20%, guys. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. But what we can say safely is that Riot outperforms Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin 5x's from here, 5x is an incredible investment profit. So it would be safe to say that Riot could possibly 10 to 20x the end of the year, presuming that Bitcoin does its thing. And I am very confident that Bitcoin is going to do its thing, so that's why I am even buying more shares at these levels with Riot. And I'm not trading them, I am holding. I am holding on to the end of the year till I get into profits that I'm very happy with. And this could be a very long-term investment as well, because Bitcoin is becoming more rare, and Bitcoin miners, they're able to accumulate Bitcoins through the mining process and the verification of transactions in the blockchain. So if you guys liked today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe, and share this video with some of your friends, guys, because this thing can make us a lot of money. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. And if you guys want Riot to go to the moon, make sure you guys smash that like button. Let's get Riot to the moon, and I believe we are going to the moon this week.